I've been here at Toyota Indiana for 24 years. I've launched somewhere in the realm of about 8 new vehicles, and of course bringing in this new Lexus vehicle was a big thrill for me. From the day that I announced to my team that we were bringing a new Lexus on board, they were all looking at each other, we're building a Lexus? They were extremely excited.
So the energy has been really high as we were preparing for the Lexus. We leveled up our standardized work to be next level to make sure that every little detail is there.
To prepare for the Lexus, we started with benchmarking. From that benchmarking, we created strategies to develop our mindset, skill set, and process capability to make it easy to build with the highest level quality.
My whole team worked extremely hard to work with design to improve overall structure and integrity of the vehicles. Because if we can build it into the design, that makes it easier for our team members that are working on the vehicle to achieve good quality.
We are always trying to think of what else can we do to make this better? What way can we make life easier for our team members? It's astounding the amount of work everybody puts in. From the team member on the floor to the managers, everybody has their role, everybody plays a part. Getting to see this vehicle come into fruition, it was so exciting. It makes all those little moments all worth it whenever you see something materialize that you've worked so hard on.
Getting behind that wheel after 2.5 years was quite a thrill for me. Design intended this vehicle to be a comfortable ride for trips. It's exactly what it's meant. The heads-up display, fantastic. Made it